I think this is one of the most lively beach I've been to. Is it because today is Sunday, or just that the place is lively? Welcome to Wuhan, the city that never sleeps. Life is good. Try to enjoy. So guys, I just found a beach in Wuhan. And this beach is very amazing. So anyway, we are here. Let me take you guys along. Let's go and see the process. Wow, that was amazing. So I don't know how it is, but it seems like we need to pay. Wow. But let's go and explore this beautiful place together. So we need to make payment here first, then we can go along there. 你好，两个人多少？
两个人198。
198。198。哇。这是99，小朋友的话98。给这个团购嘞，没有团购还是一样价。儿童的。这个。2到3角，2到3角。Wow, this is the price for 2 people. 1.2的要票吗？1米以上就买票，1米到1.2米58，超过1.2米是68。好，这边再说了。Johan, my friend's hand. So now we can go inside. Wow. Why one is expensive? Yeah, it's not easy. Anyway, this is the way in. So I don't know how it is, but we're gonna have fun today. I just have to like wait for other people to scan and in here. 贴近一点跟他，然后一起。你跑我不管你了。你跟着我打49，你可以，可以。This is Wuhan. This is massive, yeah.
This is like a private beach, which is very amazing at East Lake of Wuhan. I feel the energy. Today is Sunday. You can see a lot of people enjoying their lives, having fun. You understand? Yeah. So we are the foreigners here, so we need to ginger. We need to have the moral. So this is the beach. There is like you can see the place where people can only come by. And here is like there is like a small boat cruise on that side. So why we people are still having fun here. This is very incredible. China has been amazing since day one. Yeah. So I really enjoy it, and we are keep enjoying it. Yeah. So you can see many people are swimming here, but I can't swim inside here. Yeah. This is a place where you can, for kids, like a swimming gadget there. Here's like a I wanted to try this there once. Anyway, we left it for the kids. So these are the things that you cannot do and you can do here. Yeah. So basically, you can jump, and make sure you have a life jacket, and don't wear shoes to the beach, and no diving there. So people should be careful. Wow, nice experience. That's massive. Wow, people are just having fun. Life is good. Try to enjoy. Yeah. Hey. That's massive. A lot of activities. I think this is one of the most lively beach I've been to here. Is it because today is Sunday, or just that the place is lovely here? Welcome to Wuhan, the city that never sleeps. Foreigners here. So here, I don't know which kind of game is this here, but you can see people in the like swimming pool. Yeah, that's very funny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in another vlog in Wuhan. This is Foreigner. I love you guys. Peace out.